Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare fermented rice water solution for all your hair problems. It reduces hair fall by improving hair elasticity and makes hair shine brighter for longer. Let's get started. Start by rinsing about 1 cup of rice with water to remove any impurities. Now I am adding 6 cups of water to it. Let it soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now let's boil the rice until it is 80% cooked. Strain and separate the rice water and rice. Let it cool down completely. Now close the lid and let it ferment overnight. Transfer it to a bowl or any jar and mix all the following ingredients. Here I am adding 1 cup of rosemary water. I already made a video on how to prepare rosemary water. Please check the video available in description. If you want, you can skip this step and proceed with remaining ingredients. Adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Take herbal shampoo or any shampoo whatever suits you. Add it to the mixture according to your hair length. Add any essential oil of your choice to get rid of fermented rice water smell. Wash your hair as usual with this rice water and apply conditioner. Use it at least once a week. There will be a noticeable change in a month. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.